Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jamila Daura. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. If you are new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, hi. So today's video is a skincare video, hence the bare face. We are going to be experimenting something together. I want to be bringing videos like this where we compare and contrast two different self-care techniques, so that you can have an idea of your expectations and also decide for yourself which is going to be best for you or which is going to work better for you, since we're going to be comparing two different beauty or self-care techniques. So please subscribe to my channel if this is something that interests you, if lifestyle skincare vlog is something that interests you. So my face is all clean, all bare. I have not used moisturizer. I just washed my face, and we are going to be comparing two different exfoliating techniques using tools. So this is a dermabrasion tool. A dermabrasion tool is a tool that has some sort of rough part to it that helps to exfoliate the skin and when you use it. So take for instance a sandpaper for those people that are conversant with building materials. So when you use a sandpaper on a wood, it kind of smoothens the surface. So the dermabrasion tool, they are called diamond heads, right? I forgot diamond heads. So they come with diamond heads, and these diamond heads have rough texture. All the shapes come like this. However, some of them come wider and smaller than this. I have the medium head here because this works fine for me. And the wider the head, the diamond head, the higher your distance, the higher your vibration. The smaller the diamond head, the lower your vibration, because of precision purposes. So when it's too wide, you want to kick it high so that the precision can be accurate and you can cover as many areas of your face or of your skin as you can. But when it is small, that means you're targeting a specific place, like the corners of your nose, the top of your nose, and you don't want it to be too high so you don't damage your skin. So that is what you need to know about your dermabrasion tool. The next tool we are going to be comparing today with the dermabrasion tool is the dermaplaning tool. So derma means skin, right? So that planing, abrasion, so that you understand the difference in the names as well. So for the dermaplaning tool, it's like a scalpel, a very sharp scalpel. This is supposed to be home grade, so it is not as sharp as the ones you will find at spas, med spas most especially. It's a dermaplaning tool. The planing part of it is how you actually hold your tool, and you're not supposed to hold it in such a way that it's tucked on into your skin and can cut you. You're supposed to hold it at an angle. I don't know the exact angle off the top of I used to know it, but since it's something that I don't talk about all the time, I'm going to just insert the angle at which. It's not as if you're going to come and start measuring, right? But you just have to, it's like you're holding it flat onto your skin, and just slightly above this side of it is just going to lift slightly above your skin, and you're going to use it to kind of create a sweeping, scraping motion. We're going to be using the dermabrasion tool on the right hand of my face, and we're going to use the dermaplaning tool on the left hand of my face. The goal is to see which one works better. I already know which one I prefer, but I'm going to tell you guys how I'm going to just give you guys my verdict, while you guys also kind of decide which side of my face looks better. So I don't even know if this light is the one overhyping my skin right now, but my skin is actually looking good. Yeah, but I do have a lot of dead skin, and that is what we are going to be doing today. So let's get right into it. So for the dermabrasion tool, this is it when it comes on level 1, level 2, level 3. So because I'm using a medium size diamond tool, I'm going to be using the third level, which is high. So when you're doing it, you take it in short strokes. Don't go all the way. You're going to be hurting your skin. I tend to like move my skin tighter just so that I can get to the right areas I want to get to. Added benefit of the dermaplaning is that it drains lymph nodes from your face in the direction. If you see, I'm doing it this way, and that is draining the lymph nodes. So if I want to come under the side of my eye, like just closer to my eye and also my nose, I'm going to put it on the second level. So I am done with the dermaplaning on this side. You can see the ashiness on this side of my face. That is because it has kind of moved as much or raised as much dead skin as it can raise. However, it leaves the face bumpy, a little bit rough, because again it kind of extracts your pores. So if you have comedones, it will open it up and remove whatever gunk you have under your skin. That is one thing I love about it. So with the dermaplaning tool, I have dermaplaned my face many times on this channel, so we are just going to speed through it. So guys, I have exfoliated both sides. I have dermaplaned this side and I have done the dermabrasion on this side. So one thing that with both tools, they both provide good benefits, but I always feel like they have to work hand in hand. So even when I go to the med spa, I will always tell the esthetician there to give me a very quick dermabrasion. I have an oily skin, so chances are that things are going to be under my skin that a dermaplaning alone will not solve. So I always tell them to please just go in quickly with a dermabrasion to kind of sandpaper or loosen up the first layer of the dead skin before they go with the dermaplaning tool, because I realize that it gives me more benefits. So while this dermabrasion will give you that instant lift of the increased blood flow, the smoothness, and the loosening up of the dead skin, your dermaplaning will instantly not just remove the dead skin, it will also take, it is designed to take off pitch fuzz from your face, right? But it adds the value of actually removing dead skin from your skin. So this is what you get from the dermaplaning. The hair, the dead skin, the brown stuffs that you guys are seeing on the this thing. But with this, it also it takes off the dead skin as much as it can and attempts to pull off pitch fuzz, but it never is able to get as much pitch fuzz like the faint hair as I wish it would get, as I wish for it to get, compared to how the dermaplaning tool will remove both the pitch fuzz and the dead skin. So my practice at home for maximum benefit is to actually do a dermaplaning first, dermabrasion first all over my face. Quick 1 minute, 2 minutes on both sides, 1 minute here, 1 minute here, and then I will now go on with my dermaplaning, which will further remove more dead skin. So guys, I have brought this side of my face up to speed to this side of my face. Am I going to go on to do the dermabrasion on the side that I dermaplane? No, that will be working in reverse, this thing, and too much on this side of the face, because the dermaplaning actually does a little bit more than the dermabrasion tool will do instantly. So yes, comparison in terms of affordability, I mean, if you are someone that does not have lots of hair on your face and you just want to always have a smooth face, I would say that, okay, you can just have the dermabrasion tool and be consistent in using it once a week or once twice a month, you know, that is every 2 weeks. If you're someone that has that has a bumpy, let me say a rough skin, like you have dry skin and your dry skin is also like really making it hard for your skin to take on products or taking products, then I would advise that, okay, you attempt doing the dermaplaning more than you would do the dermabrasion. If you are someone like me that has an oily skin, hairy face, and everything in between, then you need both of these tools. This is a one-time buy, this is a consistent buy, and it is very affordable. You do not need to have the medical grade one. I do have the medical grade one, but the replacement head is actually very expensive. The tool itself is $75. The replacement head is $25 each. So I decided to, no, I do not have time to be replacing head every 3 months or 6 months. I'm comfortable buying these as frequently as I need to buy. So that is just it. However, I am going to go on now to finish this rest of my skin care routine. I will rinse off my face, tone, moisturize, sunscreen, and that would be it. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it and have learned something, and let me know which of these tools do you already use, do you own, do you prefer, and if you've not, why not? So get one of these for yourselves or both. I'm going to leave links to my Amazon store in the description box. Do not forget to check it out if you'd like to order any of these for your use. See you in my next video. Bye and stay blessed.